Oh, hello acorns. I've come to the seaside in my garden this afternoon. I love to look at the sea, so I've made a seaside sensory bottle. Look at the glimmering, glistening blue water. I love to listen to the sea, so I've made an ocean drum. I've popped some rice inside to make the sound of the waves. We're going to listen to a lovely, relaxing song. So sit on your bottoms with your legs crossed and get ready to sway. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sleep, sleep for me. Sounds of the waves, rocking me gently. Sounds of the waves, rocking me gently. Sounds of the waves, rocking me gently. Sleep, sleep for me. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sounds of the sea, swaying me gently. Sleep, sleep for me. I hope you feel really relaxed now. See you next time. Bye.